Did you know you can get Amazon Prime for half price? And you can even get a 6-month free trial before the 50% off. To do that, there's a link in the description which will take you to this landing page. On here, you're going to see an eligibility button. So you can join Prime if you aren't already a Prime member. If you are, you can find out if you're eligible through the criteria. But basically, it's Amazon Prime for young adults. So the criteria is if you're between 18 and 24, or if you're a student, you get access to Amazon Prime for young adults. And that starts with a 6-month trial of Prime for $0. And then it's half off after that. So 50% the monthly rate. You also get 5% cash back with this membership, which you don't get on the regular Amazon Prime subscription. And so, like I said, you can verify as a student or you can verify if you're between 18 and 24 years old. There's another way to get discount on Amazon Prime outside of the 30-day free trial if you don't qualify for this. It's a income eligibility. Prime Access is what it's called. So I'll leave a link for that in the description as well. It's also a 50% discounted rate. But you should try this first because you get 6 months free of Amazon Prime if you're a student or if you're between 18 and 24. And that's Amazon Prime for young adults. Link in the description. Click that to get started and to find out if you're eligible.